Hello everybody. How are you doing today? Today this session is going to be very helpful for the students who are still in the basic level, who actually feel afraid to make a sentence. Today I will teach you how to make a sentence very easily. So first of all, to make a sentence you have to know what subjects, verb and objects are. Okay? You have to know it very clearly. So today I will discuss what is subjects, verb and what is objects. Okay, so let me explore what subject is at first. Subjects subjects is a word that actually performs the work in the sentence. Just like I'm giving an example for you. Here, I have written a sentence that Rohim plays a cricket. Rohim plays cricket. Here, Rohim is a subject. So you can ask me why Rohim is a subject. Of course, Rohim is a subject because the work is done by Rohim. He is performing the work in the sentence. Rohim is playing cricket. So Rohim is here directly performing the work. That's why Rohim is subject. Okay, and now subjects can be two types. One is noun and one is pronoun. So what is noun and pronoun? The subjects are classified in two ways. One is noun and another one is pronoun. And what noun is? Noun is a kind of name. Whatever name in this world, obviously there will be the noun. Just like Rohim, Ripon, pain. These all are about noun. Okay? But what is pronoun? Pronoun is just like I, me, he, they, she, her, it. These all are pronoun. These all are pronoun, okay? And these are the nouns. So you can use these kinds of words like noun and pronoun for as a subject in a sentence, okay? So you have to use it as a subject in the sentence. Now I'm going to talk about verb. So what is verb? Verb is a such kind of words that means a work. Okay, so which word means work in a sentence, that will be obviously verb. Like that, here, Rohim is subject as he is performing the work. And now, we're talking about verb. Why this verb? Because play means a work. Play means a work that Rohim is performing. Okay, so that, as this word is meaning a work, obviously it will be a verb. Okay, now I'm going to clear subjects just stand just at the beginning of a sentence, and then we have to stand the verb just after the subject. Okay, now Rohim is the subject and plays the verb, and now the turns cricket. What is this, guys? Can you guess? I think it's objects. Okay, why it's objects? Why is objects? It's objects because we are completing the sentence by taking the help of cricket. If we don't use the cricket in the sentence will not be completed. And our expression, our views will not be completed also. So, cricket is helping us to complete the sentence, and Rohim is playing with the help of cricket. So, obviously, cricket will be the objects. Okay? So guys, I think we have clearly got subject, verb and objects. Now, how can we use this subject, verb and object to make a sentence? So guys, I have to write a structure. If you use this structure for making a sentence, you can make sentence very easily. Just like subject, verb and object. You have to use this structure for making a sentence. But don't use this structure. It's totally incorrect. You cannot use it. Just like I'm giving an example. It's incorrect, but this one is correct. I'm giving an example, just like that. It's a subject, but it's pronoun. Okay? He plays football. Here is he is the subject, plays the verb, football is an object. So I have made a sentence by using this structure. Very easy, guys. I think you can do it. And but if I write in writing this way, that he football plays, that means it's subject, it's object, and it's verb. But our structure was at first subject, then we have to use verb, then we have to use objects. But here I have written a sentence by using subject, then objects, then verb, but it's incorrect. I have to write in this way: subjects, verb, and objects. Okay, guys, hope you have understand very well. And in my next video, I'll try to teach you better how to make a good sentence, how to use preposition, how to make a questions, and in that way I think you will be very benefited. Thanks for me and for your time. Have a good day.